Hey everyone! Today we're building an alpha agent that identifies a high-volume top trader and analyzes her top held tokens. After the analysis, the agent writes a short summary and sends it to our Telegram. Let's get started. We will be using ChatGPT 4o AI model for our agent. Our plugins will include Birdeye, Zirion, Dex Screener, and Telegram. Okay, time to add our workflows. Click the Add button in the Workflow tab. Choose Run on Repeat. When it's added, scroll down and click on it. We will set the timer to 180 minutes, so our agent runs every 3 hours. Next, we will select Birdeye plugin from the Available Plugins section. Let's skip the Available Workflows section for now. We'll get back to it later. Now, it's time to add our instructions. In this workflow, we explain our agent to check trending tokens on base chain. Pick the token with the highest volume, get its top trader's wallet address, and pass it for analysis to the next workflow. When done adding, click Save. Next, we need to add another workflow. Click on the Add button and choose Custom this time. When it's added, click on it. Here, we have to name our workflow and write a description for it. Next, choose Zirion plugin from the Available Plugins menu. Skip the Available Workflows section. We'll come back to it later. Finally, let's add our instructions. In this workflow, we instruct our agent to check the received top trader's wallet address through Zirion and give us the top 3 tokens he's holding. We will also need to extract the contract addresses of those tokens for further analysis, so we tell our agent to pass the tickets to other workflows with separate instructions. Note that we instructed our agent to not analyze stable coins and big altcoins. Therefore, if the wallet holds only those coins, we will not get a summary message. When finished, hit Save. Okay, we need another workflow. Let's click the Add button and choose Custom again. When it's added, click on it. Same as before, we need to add a name and a description for this workflow. This trigger will be used to extract the contract addresses of received tickers. We will use Dex Screener for this task. Select it from the Available Plugins menu. Now, add your instructions. Here, we explain our agent to search for the received tickers and get their contract addresses using only base chain. When done adding, click Save. Finally, let's add our last workflow for token analysis. Click the Add button and choose Custom. When workflow is added, click on it. Let's name it and add our description. From the Available Plugins menu, choose Birdeye and Telegram. Lastly, add your instructions. Here, we instruct our agent to use Birdeye for the token analysis, generate a report, and send it to us via Telegram. Don't forget to provide your own Telegram chat ID. You can find a tutorial on how to get your ID on dev.loomlay.com. When finished, hit Save. Okay, for our final steps, we need to select which triggers will be used in our workflow. Click on the first Run on Repeat workflow and select the Get Portfolio trigger from the Available Workflows menu. Click Save. Next, click on the Get Portfolio workflow and select Find CA from Tickers and Ticker Analysis Triggers. Hit Save. Finally, scroll up and click the Publish button. Okay, let's check our Telegram and see if we got any alpha. As expected, our agent has already found some tokens and sent us a nice summary. And that's how simple it is to create an AI agent for scouting out alpha on Loomlay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.